Caesar. Why not me?
Sorry for the incident. I accidentally hit the sleep button on Mommy's iPad. I'm sorry, did that. Let's just skip.
And we'll be in chains for the rest of our lives. Do you want that? No.
I'm gonna say here.
I have no idea. Oh,
I just can't wait to be king. I'm gonna be king of Rome. He looks like the king of Rome.
Hey,
with his face and his smiling with the king.
Wait, why do you guys have
Daggers?
Cutting the food.
Cutting the food,
Hey,
but
dude,
there's no
can you
food in
come
the
here for a
plate.
minute? I want to ask you something. Okay, what is it? Can you come closer? Closer, closer, closer. Now!
No!
Stop! What was that for? You can't become the dictator of Rome in death. Get him! Ow! 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 No!
They're stabbing him.
Wait! No! Ow!
I'm censoring, okay? Okay, let's just censor it. I'll just censor it. It's a heavy hand. Oops.
Brutus? That was amazing. You guys are better than I thought. Thanks, dude. But I sure
Sorry, I
hope
just
the
censored
audience
the whole
knows
thing
that
because
Percy's
I
not
forgot
really
to do
dead,
that.
and that the blood is just ketchup. You can wake up, Percy.
Okay, just don't
Percy?
see the dead body.
Percy, can you hear me? Hello? You're not really dead, are you?
Let's just.
Ha! Gotcha! Now that's what I call talent.
Talent, huh? Is it the bread? Max's evil plan. The April Fool's one was kind of funny. Actually, Max's evil plan with Max, Percy's driver.
Hey, Thomas, what's up?
This
Nothing
is about
much.
the
What about you?
episode.
I have some good news.
Let me
you know
see.
Max,
Look.
my driver, the one who drinks caffeine all the time, and the guy who gave some to Gordon. Dude, I just realized that I'm
Blue.
Okay, don't flash back to that, please. If they want to watch Gordon on caffeine again, then they just go back on YouTube and watch it again. It's simple as that. Anyway, as I was saying,
Gordon agrees is too.
there's a lot of children on this.
I'm a barnacle boy. Weak. That's the scene.
Raise money for those children. Really? That's
Let me
so
see.
nice of him. Yep, he finally
Percy's
has
driver,
a change
Max,
of heart.
throws a garden party. To raise money for the kids who can't afford.
We should hang some posters.
Who can't afford vacations.
Like that. Let's do it
For
with
kids
music.
who can afford vacations. Or so they think. This is really SpongeBob music that's playing. A garden party? How excited!
Wow, they're having a garden party? Why does it say we have to pay to go?
$10.
They're donating the money to children who can't afford to go on vacation.
Yeah, that's like
awesome. Why is Trevor on the poster over there? He's giving people a ride on a wagon at the party. You know, because he's a tractor and all that.
Yeah.
Are they going to have eggplant? Yeah, I love eggs planted in the ground.
That was just not.
Seriously? I've never been to a garden party before. I wonder what it's going to be like. I hope they have a bouncy house. Dude, you're a train, remember?
Bouncy houses don't allow
I'd play more
trains
than a
because they
bouncy
don't
house
know
anyway.
how to
I'd probably
bounce
crush it if I
and
got
kill
on.
children.
I sure hope it won't be as crazy as the ones he has at night.
That's the scene.
Not tell you to not flashback to anything in this episode. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Guys,
Guys,
there's something I need to tell you. What is it, Henry? Max isn't using the money for the children. He is using it to take himself on vacation. Oh, that sneaky little beehive. I'm gonna get him.
Sneaky little beehive?
Why doesn't he just tell everyone the real reason he's using the money? Because No one's gonna donate to someone just so they can take themselves on vacation. Plus, children are easily marketable. That is such a greedy deed. Why would you even do such a thing? You've done a lot of stupid things as my driver, but now you're really crossing the line. We're telling Sir Topham Hatt. If you do that, then you can say hello to my little friend.
This is
Our lips are sealed. Now, if you'll
to
excuse
the part
me,
where,
I'm gonna go throw another. And if you'll yeah, I may not be the most patient man in the world, but when is he going to call me? He hasn't texted me, FaceTimed me, or messaged
so
me
Toad
on
has
any
his
social
on
media
an
that you
old
can think
phone,
of
an
for
image,
3
and a
freaking
new phone
hours. Where the
with the
heck is he?
calling one.
Sir, can I talk to you in private for a minute? You know why he's so Topham Hatt that Max is using the money to take himself on vacation instead of using. Now he's not calling? Well, apparently it seems like Max wants to use the money too.
Oh! That was my hand, you goon.
Percy, are you okay?
Sorry I said
I
that.
stopped you before you were able to tell Sir Topham Hatt that Max is using the money to take himself on vacation instead of using it for the children.
Sporty!
Oh no! Max promised me a cookie if I agreed not to tell anyone.
Oh,
Too
you
bad.
was
So sad.
too
You won't
bad,
get away
so
with this,
sad.
Diesel. Oh yeah? Watch me. He's getting away.
He's
Not
getting
if we can
away.
help it.
Skip the whole part so you don't want to see it. They're chasing away. The best music ever.
A
You boring chase scenes later.
Max, we have a huge
Oh, he
problem
just says
on
a
our
few
hands right
boring
now.
chase
What is
scenes
it now,
later.
Diesel? I accidentally told Sir Topham Hatt that you were using the money to take yourself on vacation instead of using it for the children. You what? I trusted you. There he is. Oh, crud. Man,
Okay.
you are in so much trouble right now. Sir, they're lying. I didn't do anything.
Oops.
Fine.
The Kia Seltos will inspire many memorable.
Okay, but I'm recording a video.
Is really shiny. We would look.
Hit favorites. Some of my hit favorites, Leash. Go ahead and watch this video. Bonus episode! Here comes a bonus episode! I haven't watched the TV show because it was like used to appear on a TV show and had the DVDs of it. It has the main characters talking about bath time in the bathtub. You get the starfish though. Special features.
Meet the Rubba-Dubbers and find out who's who in the tub.
Eat the bubbles. Fine. Explain so.
Max,
Oh, right.
don't ignore. You're
Okay, so that's the video. Bye.